At Roseridge Waste Management Services Commission, safety and responsibility guide everything we do. Our work goes beyond composting and recycling. We also make sure household hazardous materials are handled properly to protect people, property, and the environment.
Household Hazardous Waste, or HHW, and Hazardous Special Products, or HSP, includes toxic, flammable, corrosive, or reactive products found in many homes. These items need special handling and must never go in the trash, poured down drains, or placed in curbside bins.
Roseridge manages hazardous materials in two ways. First, through our Household Hazardous Waste Roundup events, where residents from our member municipalities can drop off materials that are too dangerous for regular disposal. Second, through our Hazardous Special Products program, which now accepts certain labeled materials year-round at both Roseridge facilities.
Household hazardous waste includes products that require special collection for safe handling and disposal. Common examples include pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. It also covers automotive fluids such as brake fluid, gasoline, antifreeze, and transmission fluid. Other accepted items include adhesives, pool and spa chemicals, fireworks, flares, and any unknown or unlabeled substances that should be clearly marked before drop-off.
Anything marked with a red diamond or circle, such as WMIS or transportation symbols, must be taken to an HHW Roundup event. Roseridge hosts these events twice each year on behalf of our 6 member municipalities. Our next roundup will take place at the Morinville Leisure Center in spring 2026.
The HSP program makes safe disposal easy year-round. Products accepted under this program must have a CCCR label. That label appears as an octagon or inverted triangle on the container and identifies common consumer chemical products.
If you see one of those CCCR symbols, you can drop the item off anytime at the Roseridge Waste Management Center or the Roseridge Transfer Station. This includes consumer products labeled corrosive, flammable, toxic, or explosive.
Remember, shapes matter. An octagon or inverted triangle means Roseridge can take it year-round. If the container has a red diamond or circle, it must wait for an HHW Roundup event.
But are there exceptions on some of these products?
Yes. Some products may look like they belong in the HSP program but are treated differently. Items such as bleach, ammonia, and disinfectants are considered down-the-drain cleaners and are excluded from year-round collection. These belong with HHW materials and should be brought to a Roundup event instead. Even though they share similar hazard symbols, their handling requirements are different.
Roseridge accepts both full and empty containers of hazardous special products. Each item is handled by trained staff under strict environmental standards to keep harmful substances out of the landfill and water systems.
You can also drop off paint, electronics, propane tanks, oil filters, and used oil and gasoline at Roseridge any time of year. These items are part of Alberta's extended recycling programs and do not need to wait for a special event. Although we accept oil, and we accept gasoline in jerry cans, please don't mix them or mix with water. When kept separate, we can recover valuable resources from both.
If you are unsure, check the label. A CCCR symbol means Roseridge can take it anytime. A WMIS or TDG symbol means it belongs at a Roundup event. And if the label is missing, mark the container so event staff know what it contains. Containers without labels and their contents need to go to a Roundup event.
Whether it is cleaners, fuels, or electronics, Roseridge provides safe, local solutions for materials that do not belong in the household garbage.
Together, we are protecting our communities and keeping hazardous materials out of the landfill, making safe disposal simple and accessible for everyone.
Roseridge Waste Management Commission, built for recovery and committed to a safer, more sustainable future.